The Edit menu contains a selection of tools designed to help you fine-tune your measurement. Let's explore each option one by one, with examples of how they work. The Closure tool helps when you're measuring a closed shape and your start and end points don't quite meet. Instead of walking back, BaoRuler can estimate the final point. If your shape is open, it'll connect the start and end and close the shape for you. Keep in mind, because it estimates the closure, the accuracy might be slightly reduced. The Color Modify tool, select the graphic. Use the Color Modify tool to modify the outline color of the graphic. Before using the Color Modify tool, you need to first select the graphic. To close shape, simply click on the corresponding graphic to select it. For open shape, you need to long press the line segment to select it. Line Type Switch tool, select the line segment, and through the Line Type Switch tool, you can switch between the straight line and trace line types. Correct. Help straighten out your measurement by snapping corners to make the graphics look more orderly and square-shaped. You can choose how strong you want the correction to be, low, medium, or high intensity. It can change the layout of your shape, so it's best used only when correcting corners is intentional. Extrapolation tool. This tool can intelligently estimate the missing corner positions based on the angles of the nearby measurement segments. BaoRuler can fill in the gap for you. After the measurement is completed, click on the line you want to extend towards that corner. Click Edit, and then select Extrapolation. BaoRuler will project this line as a virtual corner. Click on the pink point, and it will be undone. The graph will be restored to the form it had at the time of the measurement completion. The time of the measurement completion auto-ignore tool helps clean up your measurement automatically by ignoring any pause points that fall along a straight line. BaoRuler will scan your diagram and automatically ignore points that sit directly between the start and end of a straight seg. The Ignore tool allows you to skip a specific point during the measurement process, as if that point had never been recorded. Click on the point you want to delete. Enter the edit mode and click Ignore. That point will turn gray. The measurement line will directly jump from the previous point to the next point. To restore the original state, click Cancel Ignored Point. The Disconnect tool. It can disconnect or reconnect graphic line segments, thereby forming a new graphic. Disconnected graphic. That is, after entering the operation interface of disconnected graphic, select the Disconnect button. Then select the corresponding line segment. Confirm for disconnection, connect graphic, which means after entering the operation interface of disconnected graphic, select the Connect button. Successively select the two connected points. The Volume tool is used to calculate how much material you need to add on top of a measured area. You'll see two things on screen: the depth you're adding and the volume required to cover that area. At that depth, use the slider to adjust the depth or enter an exact value. Cut Fill can help you calculate how much material needs to be removed or added to level a measured area. You'll see a cutting plane appear, along with 3 key values. Cut the material above the plane, fill any space below the plane, and net the total difference. The cut and fill volumes update live on screen. To set an exact level, you can input your value in the depth field. When in metric units, need to balance the material, tap the reset icon next to net to find the level where the cut and fill volumes cancel each other out. The Background tool lets you add an image behind your measurement, helping you visualize how your layout sits in the real world. To get started, select Base Map and tap Add Image. You can toggle between the background and the measurement to help align them accurately. Then use the image tools to resize, rotate, drag, until the photo fits the measured data perfectly. Once everything is aligned, just tap Complete to save the background. The Split function is used to divide the already drawn engineering graphics. Select the graphic, click the Edit button, choose Split, and a pop-up window will prompt to use device splitting. After calibration according to the operation prompts, the splitting can be performed. The split graphics will be saved in a new layer. If you need any extra help with anything shown in this video, just send a support request directly within the app, and BaoRuler team will be happy to provide personalized support.